Okay, this one here, we just had a quick interior. This couple closed on this house just a few days ago and wanted to get us in here. All of these walls and everything were kind of just a yellow beigey color. So we came in here, we did all of these ceilings and then did all of the walls, didn't touch any trim or anything in here. All this nice kind of soft bluish gray color on all of these walls, all down here. Ceilings made a big difference. These ceilings were yellowed out pretty bad. It's probably been a long time since they had been painted. A couple bedrooms down here. So just a nice kind of quick 3-day job here. Got in, got all of the ceilings sprayed day one, and then spent the last 2 days just running walls. And so almost done here. What we like to do is once we're done here, so we had the guys go ahead, after everything's unmasked, they go ahead and peel all the paper and everything, sweep everything up, vacuum, run kind of our little Swiffers and stuff down here. And then the next step here is a little bit later today, we will go ahead and have the cleaning crew come in here and give this whole house a nice professional deep clean. And then get it ready. So they'll be ready to go ahead and get moved in this weekend and have a nice fresh start here and not have to worry about us making or leaving any kind of a mess. And just kind of nice and fresh. Always good to get in here before they've had time to move in. It's a little bit quicker, obviously, for us to not have to move everything out, and also just allows us to get everything nice and clean and kind of the way that we like to leave it. So good 3-day job here, and probably the last interior that we'll be doing for a little bit since we're getting into exterior. So it was a good one, and we'll be on to the next.